कल मैंने बोला था ना कि आज दंगल होगा और गेम उसी तरह से शुरू हुआ। लग ही रहा था कि दंगल है क्योंकि इंडियंस एंड टीम इंडिया वर कंप्लीटली फायर्ड अप और देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ चैटर इन द ऑन द पिच। और ऐसा भी था कि कई बार अंपायर्स को भी इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ा। उसके बावजूद इट वाज अ बिट ऑफ अ बॉक्सिंग मैच इन द एंड। देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ पंचेस, काउंटर पंचेस, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट, उसके बाद मोर ऑफ द सेम। तो आइए इसी बारे में बात करते हैं और वेलकम करते हैं आज के नए गेस्ट राइजल पंडित। वेलकम राइजल।
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me on the show.
So Rigel, you yourself are an accomplished cricketer on club level here in Australia, or you've captained your club teams as well. So you know quite a bit about cricket and how the banter or what you can say sledging happens on the pitch. So आज इतना क्यों चुभा ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को? क्योंकि कोच ने भी इनके बाद में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला कि ओ इट वाज अ बिट ऑफ ओवर द टॉप व्हाट इंडियंस डिड टू सैम कोस्टास आफ्टर ख्वाजा's wicket. Or he was a bit intimidated. That's what he said. It was a bit intimidating. So what do you think? What is fair game? क्यों इनको इतनी लग रही है अब?
I mean, अगर आप देखो ना यार, यहाँ पे जो क्लब लेवल का भी क्रिकेट होता है ना, फ्रॉम लाइक ग्रासरूट लेवल, they tend to be very hostile with the way they approach cricket. Club level पे भी गाली गलौच is a very routine and accepted form. And even if you look at क्या आपका इनका मीडिया भी जो है, they've been trying to stir the Indians up. I in fact feel it's more the media than Constas. वो 19 साल का लड़का है, like I'm sure like Kohli in his days and Kohli off late as well, they get easily stirred as well. But I think Australians का हमेशा से ये थोड़ा सा रहा है to get under the skin. They don't like it if they give it back.
Yeah.
So I think इस instance पे, and Indians are one sort of one Asian team जिन्होंने ये आप देखें अगर I think गांगुली के era से ये we started to sort of give it back to them. And obviously like people don't like the taste of their own medicine, and it's a bit about that, I reckon.
But feels a bit rich coming from Australians complaining about all this pitch banter and sledging. जब इनको
I mean that's been going around from Ponting's era, कि अरे इसको ऐसे बोल दिया, but हम करें तो ठीक है. These double standards been around for as long as I've been watching cricket. But the good thing is our boys have learned to give it back to them.
Yeah.
क्योंकि हमें भाई बहुत पहले का इंस्टेंस याद है कि जवाहर श्रीनाथ ने पॉन्टिंग को बाउंसर मारी थी and it hit him on the grill and he got grazed, and Srinath's first instinct was to apologize, and Ponting is swearing back at him.
He told him to go back. Yes.
That was back then. Now if you see then you had the Zahir Khans and the Ishan Sharmas. They came in, they were in a different breed of cricketers. They knew how to give it back to them. I think वो जो moment था, it benefited us anyway. It put Khwaja off. He was like just यार please यार मेरे को बस not out जाना है.
Also as you said फायदा हमें ही हुआ. चलो आज के गेम की बात करते हैं. बुमराह की इंजरी, like everyone I think in India everywhere all Indian fans were praying कि यार क्या हो गया. हमारी खुद की बात हो रही थी. We were discussing कि अच्छा कुछ अपडेट आया क्या and all I could see was they kept repeating the same footage of him going in the parking lot, getting in a car and out, and it reminded me of the WWF days जहाँ पे parking lot में ऐसा दिखाते थे कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा था अंडरटेकर आएगा पीछे से मारेगा उसको. In the end Prasidh Krishna came in the press conference. उसने बोला कि he had a back spasm. So positive news for India?
I would think so. And जब आप injure होते हैं, you saw last game में Akashdeep, he bowled, and usually there is often like it happens when you're in action. आप जब World Cup के में भी देख लें, what's that all-rounder we had? Forgetting his name, but who injured his ankle in the Pakistan game. Mumbai Indians का कैप्टन
हार्दिक
पांड्या. Yeah. It is in the moment you see they've injured it, वो अपनी पीठ पकड़ लेते हैं. बुमराह के साथ मैंने कुछ ऐसे देखा नहीं. You can't narrow down कि यार इस इंस्टेंट पे कुछ हो गया था. He just casually loitered off, and from his body language he looked okay.
Yeah.
जब वो वापस में भी आया, जब वो वापस टीम को ज्वाइन कर रहा था, तो he took those strides on those stairs. वो like उछल के गया था वहां पे. I think Team India probably has one of the best support staff, and Shubman Gill Shubman Gill missed out on the first. Shubman Gill, sorry, missed out on the first test because he had a fracture. And I was like, I fractured my finger, man. मेरे को भी 9 हफ्तों से ठीक नहीं हुआ हूँ. And they within like 5 days he recovers. So they have some behind the curtains medical magic. Psychologically, जब Australians guard ले रहे होते हैं, they see Bumrah on the other end. I think they get nervous just by his presence. So I am quite optimistic he'll be back.
Yeah, and I think that's why we need at least good 200 runs, if not 250. अभी तो 145 की लीड है, but we need at least 50-70 runs minimum from here. एक और नॉट अ बॉम्बशेल ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. रोहित ने अपने आप को ड्रॉप किया, बट रोहित ने इंटरव्यू दिया मिड मैच. आई थिंक हिज इंटरव्यू केम ऑन स्टार स्पोर्ट्स. Yeah, so where he said कि यार I have not retired or I have no plans to retire. I've just dropped myself and for the benefit of the team, which shows his character, which is good. We don't want his legacy to be ruined by like these kind of things. Obviously हम चाहते हैं कि वो अच्छा करके रिटायर हो, ऑलमोस्ट अच्छे रन बना के कहे कि ठीक है इट्स ऑल अप फॉर मी, बट ही सेड ही इज नॉट रिटायरिंग बेसिकली. बट इसमें द मोस्ट डिसअपॉइंटिंग पार्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज नॉट रोहित. My disappointment was with Shubman Gill, क्योंकि यार you are playing in place of the captain. Think about that. Basically Rohit is dropping himself, you're back in the team and you play such a shot. First innings में he got a good ball, but second innings में that I think that was a poor shot, क्योंकि पंत बना रहा है रन उस साइड, तो तुम होल्ड करो ना वहां पे. So why are you playing such a shot? तो पता नहीं दामाद जी के क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में.
मुझे ऐसा मतलब डिसअपॉइंटमेंट इस चीज से रहा है इस सीरीज में अक्सर कि हम एक कमांडिंग पोजीशन से वी हैव लेट गो ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑफ द गेम, बिकॉज बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस ऐसे हो चुके हैं. देखिए अगर कोई बैट्समैन आता है और पहली 10-15 बॉल पे आउट हो जाता है, तो यू कांट रियली डू मच. ही हैजंट हैड मच टाइम एंड यू गेट अ पिच ऑफ अ डिलीवरी. आप उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स जस्ट योर बैड लक. You put your head down and then you said, next time I'll try. There's a big element of luck and but लेकिन अगर आप 30-40 बॉल खेल लेते हैं ना, तो आपकी आइन हो जाती है थोड़ी सी. आपको पिच कैसी बिहेव कर रही होती है उसका समझ में आ जाता है. तो उसके बाद अगर आप आउट हो रहे हो ना, तो वो आप अपना विकेट फेंक के आ रहे हैं, which is frustrating. And I think Shubman Gill did that. And I don't know why उसको, I mean he looked a bit tentative, but that emotion sort of subsides as you spend more time on the crease. And I think वो थोड़ा सा greedy हो गया कि यार ये पार्ट टाइमर बॉलर है या जो भी है, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा टेक ऑन करता हूँ. But he was not in a position to play that shot. because अगर आप देखें, he charged down, the ball was coming into him. He probably had the opportunity to maybe just abandon that shot, but he still decided to go through with it. तो थोड़ा सा judgment players का खराब.
Actually I was wrong. मैंने बोला first inning में अच्छी बॉल पे आउट हुआ. I just remembered कि he actually got out just Nathan Lyon की बॉल पे just before lunch. He did that also. So in both innings he's been poor, and as you said, उसको अपने wicket, like he should put a price on your wicket, especially when the captain is sitting,
exactly,
has sat himself for you. और मुझे तो पता है क्या लगता है कि सचिन का फोन आ गया होगा कि भाई देखो दामाद जी का ख्याल रखना, रोहित तुम देख लो अपना क्या करना है.
और जब आप फॉर्म की बात करते हैं ना, तो फॉर्म ऐसे नहीं होता कि आपने कुछ अनलर्न कर दिया है. ऐसे नहीं होता कि कल तक आप कवर ड्राइव आता था आपको, आज आप कवर ड्राइव खेलना भूल गए हैं. फॉर्म इज नॉट द लैक ऑफ स्किल, फॉर्म इज लैक ऑफ फोकस. तो और जब आप इन सब बाकी चीजों में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं कि प्रेस क्या कर रही है, और and you're chirping along with, I mean if the fielder is getting you started, I mean Tendulkar never engaged in these things. His purpose, his point is to distract you. अगर आप देखेंगे तो उससे एक बॉल पहले जो फर्स्ट इनिंग में जब गिल आउट हुआ था,
he was talking to
he was talking with Steve Smith and things like that, and he got distracted. He's like, you take your time, I'm going to do this. तो आप उस फोकस में से अपना जो एक पोर्शन है वो उस इंस्टेंट को दे रहे हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली योर एबिलिटी टू फोकस, रिमेन फोकस इन द गेम, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर नॉट इन ग्रेट फॉर्म, is receded. तो I think they need to think more wisely about these things.
I know. So team management need to, or seniors need to step in and say, Shubman Gill is no longer a young player now.
No,
He's
absolutely
played
not.
quite a bit. वो पहले भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर खेल चुका है. सो होपफुली अब तो मौका नहीं है उसके पास इस टूर में. होपफुली ही विल इम्प्रूव. तो अब बात करते हैं, चलो दूसरे लेजेंड की. एक रोहित सिंह की हमने बात की. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट विराट कोहली. यार विराट कोहली का ऐसा हो गया कि अब उसके वो जो ऑफ साइड वाले जो मीम्स भी आना बंद हो गए, क्योंकि इट्स बिकम सच अ थिंग कि he has got out on all 8 occasions, same, exactly same. And Scott Boland has his number every time. This is the 4th time he's got him, and Scott Boland third test में आया था खेलने. Sad state for to see Kohli like that. Last time he's playing in Australia pretty much as a test batsman for India.
I think वो कहते हैं
और कुछ बात करने को भी नहीं है यार इस बारे में. इतनी बात हो चुकी है कि now like कोहली भाई क्या हो रहा है.
you know, they say, right, it's only funny until it's sad. And I know, like, we were talking and you sent me that mess, you sent me a meme, and then like next minute I was like, don't jinx it, because you know, like, it you know in your head this is going to happen. Everyone who doesn't even follow cricket knows about this. And ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता यार कि उसको इस बात का इल्म ही नहीं है कि यार मैं ऐसे आउट हो रहा हूँ यार. ये मतलब रिप्ले में 50 बार देख चुके हैं. जो you know, when your female friends who don't follow cricket, they also know, they understand these memes. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उसको पता, आइडिया ही नहीं है कि मैं ये ना एक ही तरह से डिसमिस कर रहा हूँ. कभी कर तो वो रिप्ले दिखा रहे थे, मैंने कहा यार एक पुराने गेम का रिप्ले दिखाया, नहीं इस गेम का रिप्ले. यू कांट इवन टेल देम अपार्ट समटाइम्स, राइट.
टॉकिंग अबाउट रिप्ले, दे शोड फर्स्ट इनिंग्स का और सेकंड इनिंग्स का रिप्ले. इट वाज आई थिंक 95% exactly the same.
It was exactly
same bowler, same ball.
And I think इनके पास इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी है, इतने एनालिस्ट हैं, इतना सपोर्ट स्टाफ है. I don't think he's, you know, he's a hard worker. You know, let's give him his dues. He's a hard worker. He maintains high standards of fitness. You know, तो and I'm sure he's aware कि मैं ये सब कर रहा हूँ. And
yeah, of course.
I remember, you know, like classic, वो आप 2003 और 4 की जो श्रृंखला देखेंगे जिसमें तेंदुलकर was going through a very similar issue. And he said, you know what, मैं ये cover drive मारूंगा ही नहीं.
Yeah.
And he went on to score 241 not out in Sydney, ironically.
Yeah.
And you know, you look at his back and wheel, there's not even a single shot there.
But think
that shows, you know, why Tendulkar is who he is. I think Kohli somewhere deep inside him has a sense of arrogance, which I don't like about him. You know, because just that arrogance, you can't admit कि मेरी कुछ weakness है, and I need to, and you know, like people criticize him कि यार इसका time आ गया, he should retire. Some people say इसके reflexes slow हो रहे हैं. I mean, if you think about it, Schumacher came out of retirement and he retired at the age of 43. Yeah, and I think F1 में काफी reflexes चाहिए होते हैं. So I think he still has a place in the team. I still think he deserves a place in the team. But उन्हें कुछ तब्दीलियां करनी पड़ेंगी. I think you need to adapt. You can't be going around having, I mean, it was a legitimate argument with the journo at the airport. But आप crowd से इतना engage हो जाते हैं, आप 19 साल के उसको, you know, I like banter, but you can't go shoulder him. You know, you need to know where to draw the line.
Yeah, and he's like what 36, 38. I don't know. He is an ambassador of cricket now. So वो जो Sam Constance was an instance था, yes, too aggressive. Definitely, no one agreed with it. And 20% match fee, that was a farce. You raise a right point कि जो Tendulkar, the debate which was ki Kohli and Tendulkar, who's better, who's like, that can be set to bed, especially after this series. You can't even name them in the same sentence, I think, because you can see the difference between what Sachin was and what Sachin did, because same problem thi Sachin ki bhi, and what he did to improve, and what's Kohli doing, which is completely opposite, it seems. One more thing, what happened was Pant ka counter attack. Pant ne jo kiya, I think we criticize Pant for playing the sometimes illogical shots or ill-timed shot, but this time I think there was a strategy कि this is going to be a counter punch. It will help us at least get to a decent total, क्योंकि उसी की वजह से we are almost near 150 की lead, 145 की lead है. वरना उसके बिना अगर वो फर्स्ट इनिंग के जैसे खेल रहा था, which is also a strategic decision, इंडिया अभी 100 के नीचे होती है आराम से.
Yeah, I agree. आज उसने थोड़ा कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क लिया. आप जो कमेंट्री भी सुनेंगे तो you know, he's picking up the gaps in the field, and then you know, once the field is spread out, आपके लिए थोड़ा सा मेंटली यू आर मोर एट ईज देन यू लाइक ओके मैं सिंगल डबल्स निकाल सकता हूँ. इस इनिंग में हमने काफी तेज रन रेट के साथ रन बनाए हैं. फर्स्ट इनिंग में sometimes I understand and test cricket is test cricket because it tests so many things. You can't also be too slow with things, because you saw even when Nitish Kumar Reddy and Washington Sundar had that amazing partnership, and Washington just got a bit like forced to play that shot because they were actually slowing down a bit too much. So I think what Pandit was incredible. I think he got out. It was a bit unlucky because that ball didn't have much in it. It was a half tracker. It wasn't an outstanding ball. He just got lucky. He might as well have put it away. But when you are taking chances, sometimes you can get that awkward edge. I would still call it a responsible inning because he picked the balls, he picked the fielders, he backed himself. He wasn't trying to create shots as he did in the first innings.
एक शॉट उसने जरूर खेला था. आई थिंक वो रैंप शॉट he tried to hit like Sam Costas, but उसके अलावा as you said बाकी सारे वो pretty calculated. What do you think overall? 200 के ऊपर जाएगा कल स्कोर?
I think वो मैं एक चीज बोला था ना ऋषभ पंत के लिए, like people say हाँ horizontal bat shot के लिए ऋषभ पंत के horizontal body shots होते हैं क्योंकि most shots he hits it, he ends up flat on the ground. 200 I you know what, if I speak from a non-biased, 200 जाएगा नहीं जाएगा, जाना नहीं चाहिए. You don't deserve to get 200 after all that. I think अगर बुमराह बना लेगा तो क्या पता, बुमराह पे है. अगर
बुमराह क्या क्या करेगा, अब तो कैप्टेंसी भी कर रहा है, वो बॉलिंग तो करता ही है. He already saved us in one of the games.
But I think even if you go to 180, 200, it will be a fair contest because the wicket still has got something in it.
ये पिच तो they're saying quite difficult. That's why इसमें 200 रन would be a good challenge.
Yeah, exactly.
और anyways अब तो ये लग रहा है 4th day तक ही जाने वाला है टेस्ट, उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा. 5th day anyways it's supposed to rain, so hopefully it doesn't go there. तो yeah, fascinating. बहुत interesting stage पे है ये game.
If we get 200, they'll keep the contest wide open. If whether or not you're gonna have Bumrah, and if Bumrah does come in, even if you're being overly optimistic, you're not going to have Bumrah, probably not at 100%. If he's got back spasm, he's not going to bowl as many spells as he would otherwise. But who knows? Like nowadays you have incredible muscle relaxants and a good nice rest.
Magic
tomorrow
potions.
is apparently going to be 40 degrees in Sydney, so it's going to be a hot day. So it will be testing for especially our bowlers.
From where we were at in first innings, अगर हम लोग draw कर पाते हैं और इनफैक्ट अगर जीत गए तो incredible. Basically egg is going to be on Aussie's face because they would again not be holding the BGT and rest WTC वगैरह का चलो देखेंगे. we've been to 2 finals, so it's okay. Let them go for it. Thank you Rigel once again यार. It was a fascinating chat and बहुत मजा आने वाला है कि आगे के 2 दिनों में भी. 3 दिन है वैसे तो, आगे के 2 दिन I'm saying because I'm looking like 4-day test. So we'll continue to chat with you. Thank you for coming on the show.
Definitely. Thanks so much for having me, and I look forward to having this chat with you again.
Thank you. So viewers, what do you think? आज जैसे we discussed दंगल होना था, दंगल अब हो चुका है. अब basically थोड़ा strategic होने का टाइम है. So let's see क्या होता है, कल कितने रन बनेंगे, और looks likely that India is going to bowl again. And let's pray and keep our fingers crossed कि Bumrah comes back and bowls out the Aussies and we win and keep the BGT. Let us know in the comments what you think कल क्या होने वाला है and what should be our target. Thank you.